Hey there and welcome back. What if I told you that you can earn extra money sitting at home just, typing? Well, watch until the end so you can find out how to do just that. For this video, we'll be looking at some of the best transcription companies which fall into the following categories, and some of these companies have never been mentioned on this channel before. And there are companies that are the best for beginners, companies that are hiring worldwide or outside the US, the highest paying companies, and of course companies that pay weekly or daily. If transcription is not for you, then you might want to check this video on 7 legit ways to make money online. But if it is, let's get started. Online transcription jobs are getting highly popular these days because it is one of those work from home jobs that is easy to master. If you don't know what transcription is, it is simply converting a set of audio files or video files into text. You will be given a set of pre-recorded audio files to listen to and convert them into written text documents. It is important that you have a computer with a high-speed internet connection, a headset, and preferably a foot pedal to help you work faster. Transcription jobs are fairly decent paying jobs. However, the amount of money you make depends on various factors like your accuracy, speed, the volume and the quality of the work you're handling. As a transcriptionist, you can expect to earn more if you're willing to take the more difficult assignments and files that require a quicker turnaround time. To get started as a transcriptionist, all you have to do is pass the simple online test that usually assesses your listening skills, understanding and typing skills, and they will immediately let you into their services. To get started, we'll take a look into the companies that are the best for beginners. If you don't have any transcription training or experience, the companies in this list are open to hiring beginners. Many of them offer steady work and plenty of flexibility. The downside is that since these companies in this list don't require much experience, some of them are lower paying. And we have GMR Transcription. You can find work in legal, business, audio and video transcription. No experience is required to join, and you can earn between $1,000 to $3,000 a month, and of course there's a transcription test as part of the application process. Next we have GoTranscript. This is the best place to find beginner freelance transcription jobs that is available worldwide. They have a very good rating. They pay up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. You do not need any experience or be a fast typist to apply. There is also a transcription test. Next up is Rev. This is a popular transcription services company that offers jobs for freelancers all over the world to apply and earn money online. This company provides in-house transcription editor software to enable you to do the jobs. You do not have to download or upload software to complete the jobs. This takes us into the best paying transcription jobs. Many of the companies below pay $1 per audio minute or more. Most of them require experience or training, but don't let that discourage you. You can use some of the previously listed services as a starting point to gain some experience. You can also consider taking some free online courses. At first, we have UK Transcription. UK Transcription is a general transcription company based in the UK. They prefer hiring UK-based transcriptionists. They are open to hiring applicants residing in the US and Canada. As a transcriptionist for them, you can pick and choose the assignments you want to work on. The average pay rates are $1 to $1.25 per audio minute. To apply for them, you'll need to take a transcription test. Next, we have Avabatch Transcription. Avabatch Transcription is one of the highest paying transcription companies on our list. For files that have 2 days or more turnaround, you get paid $1 per audio minute, while those files with overnight or same day turnarounds will fetch you up to $1.50 per audio minute. To be accepted, you need to have a minimum of 2 years of transcribing experience and to pass the skills test. You can choose your own hours and accept or decline the work as you please. And you will also need your own transcription software. And to top of this list, we have Audio Transcription Center. This general transcription company has some great reviews on Glassdoor. The expected pay is around $60 per audio hour for English transcriptions, and $150 per audio hour for foreign language transcriptions. You choose how much and when you want to work. To work with Audio Transcription Center, you'll need to have your own transcription software like ExpressScribe, which you can get for free. Now let's take a look into companies that hire worldwide or outside the US. The following companies offer online transcription jobs for anybody worldwide. And at first we have Casting Words. This is available worldwide. All you need is to be over 18 years old to apply. You also need to have a PayPal account to be paid. You can earn up to $1 per audio minute. Next up is CrowdSurf. CrowdSurf offers freelance work for new and experienced transcriptionists. You can work from anywhere and get paid by direct deposit or PayPal. And to top of this list, we have TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is rated as one of the best transcription websites to work for. They pay much more than general transcription job sites at an impressive rate of $15 to $22 per hour. Their top monthly earners get about $2,000 a month. TranscribeMe will put you through a quick exam to test your skills and ensure that you're eligible to become a transcriber. We've made it to our final category. In this category, we'll look into transcription jobs that pay weekly or daily. If you want your money faster, then these are the companies for you. And our first company is Scribby. They pay from $5 to $25 an hour in USD. The files you transcribe are typically short and are no more than 10 minutes. There's a $5 monthly bonus you will gain for every 3 hours of transcription. Payments are made via PayPal daily. If you don't have PayPal, then the following companies might be your best bet. You can try Daily Transcription. The assignments are sent to transcribers on a daily basis and the payments are made weekly by check. The rates are 75 cents to 85 cents per minute, which is much higher than some sites. Their platform includes a feedback system, coaching, and other resources to take your skills to the next level as well. And finally, for this list, we have Allegis Transcription. This company pays weekly via direct deposit. Allegis specializes in insurance and legal transcription. To work for them, you'll need a minimum of 2 years of experience and a Windows PC. That's all for this video, and as always, all the links will be down in the description. If this video was of any help to you, then let us know by hitting the like button and consider subscribing to this channel for more. Comment down below a company that you think should be on this list, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.